basic knowledge, you're fine, right? But you do have to adjust and adapt. When I was just getting into this work, I went up to New York where my sister lived, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna plant this garden and put all of the greens out there. The next day, rabbits and deer and everything just came through and decimated everything. And I wasn't privy to that because I'm used to being here where we might have raccoons and armadillos come dig through the soil and squirrels, but you might see holes all around and squirrels bearing nuts and things like that, right? But you know, I was completely oblivious to the deer and the rabbit problems because they just got those animals running wild. Yeah, all the way up, right. Yeah. When you pass like that last borough, what's the last borough? Is it Brooklyn or the Bronx? I always forget it. Bronx. All right, then you get to like Mount Vernon. Right, yeah.